Let's get cooking. I got something.
I got a Branzino from McCall's. So my mom and I, my daughter and my sister and my husband, we went to Bestia last night and it was really nice. But by the time I got there, they were out of a lot of things on the menu. And we were going to get a Branzino, so they didn't have Branzino. So we're making it tonight. And I bought this from one of our favorite local butcher shops called McCall's. Look at this beautiful fish. Come in closer. Show everybody how pretty this fish is. Branzino. Got a pan here with some foil. I'm just gonna score it with a knife. And then we're gonna stuff it with the herbs and the lemon and get ready to put it in the oven. This will grill up quite nicely. My mom bought me this really awesome dispenser for salt and pepper. Let me show you how it works. So this is like black peppercorn, pink peppercorn, and some salt. So black peppercorn, one hand, you want to keep one hand free. Put some pepper inside. And have a light on it too. Pretty awesome. Get some pepper on the outside. Lots of pepper. Okay. Then we want to get a little salt. Salt comes out a lot quicker. Nice and salted. Then you want to get some, I sliced some lemons here. Mixture of parsley and cilantro. I like the mixture. Some shallots, thinly sliced, and I have some herbs. I have some fresh and some not. So I ran out of thyme, so I have some dried thyme and some herb de Provence, which is like all, you know, all the herbs. And then I have some marjoram and a little bit of fresh thyme. So we'll start with the onions. Get some shallots in there. You want to put it in the cavity. So at the butcher shop or the fish market where you buy your fish, they should be able to clean the fish for you. So put a little bit, you know, actually let's do this first. Put some fresh herbs. I'm going to layer it here. Can you see everybody? Okay. And you can just leave the whole stems of the herbs because you're not really going to eat that. It's just going to be for flavor. Get some more onions on this side. It's like fill it up, fill the pocket. It's like a fish pocket. Get some more fresh herbs on this side. There we go. Okay. Get a little bit more lemon in here. Don't be afraid of the lemon. This is just for seasoning, and then when it's done cooking, we'll take the lemons and the herbs out. And then the onions will be nice and cooked. We'll put a little bit of fresh parsley and cilantro in there. Let's get a little bit more pepper. Let me wipe my hands. More pepper. Hi, fishy. You're beautiful. All right. Okay, so this baby is going to sit here and marinate for a minute. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil in there. And I got my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and we're just going to cook this for about 15 minutes. Get some inside. There you go. Mom here with me. She taped this video for me and she wanted me to share it with you guys.
Yeah, I thought it was amazing.
Make Branzino for my mom.
Yes, I'm having Branzino for the very first time.
And we're so glad that we're here together for the holiday season. Her and April came for Christmas and it's been so wonderful.
Yes, beautiful tree.
Yeah.
Beautiful food.
We've been having a great
Lovely.
time. Okay, we're going to eat soon. Black-eyed peas, some herb rice, and some Branzino on a bed of spinach.
Yum.
Okay.
Okay.
See you later.
Bye.
Let's try it and check this. Yeah. For 7 minutes per side, and then I put the broiler on and cooked it for another few minutes. All right. 2, I also made some white rice. My dear friend Jenny brought me back some beautiful herbs and seasonings from Israel. And I used my za'atar seasoning. My mom is here. I'm so excited. We're making branzino. Black eyed peas with smoked turkey. We got branzino stuffed with herbs and lemon and shallot on a bed of spinach. It's really herb rice.
Let's get cooking. I got something in the kitchen. I got something good in our shop.
Time to eat.
Let's get cooking. I got something in the kitchen. I got something good in our shop that I like to share.